Okay, today I decided to grab all of my project bags that I had next to my bed and see what I have going on, whether I want to keep going with them. I'm not sure why I thought today would be a great day to look at this, but I feel like I want to get organized, maybe because it's a Monday. So let's see. First there's two projects in here. So first we have the beginning of, this is going to be a top, I believe. Yeah, like a summer tea. I can't even remember the name of the one I wanted to make. I hope I have the pattern somewhere. And then this one, okay, this is a little flowers scarf that I started. That looks looking pretty good. So I want to keep going on that one. This is a Bashful Armadillos yarn. Oh wait, is this the pattern? Stromboli, that's going to be this top. And then little flowers, that's this other pattern. Okay, so I don't know why I have two in one project bag. I usually try to keep just one. But I'm going to keep going on both of those. I like those. Okay, so that's a keep. All right. Isn't this bag cute? My mom made this. Isn't that so sweet? So this has, okay, yes, this is what I'm working on. This is a scallop wrap, and I'm making it with the Lazy Hazy Simmer Cotton. And doing the scallops, and yeah. So, okay, I'm definitely keeping working on this. I think I'm on my third ball of yarn out of 4. Isn't that pretty? I love that. So almost done with that one. So got to keep going, finish that up. Keep going with that one. That's a good one. Okay. Little backpack from the yarn trail, super cute. This is a just for fun. Okay, this is like one of those, this is like a Noro yarn, and I don't remember the name, but I love the color changes. And this is one of those, like, I stopped in the middle of a row. Don't do that at home. Okay. So this is just a very long, skinny, probably going to be a scarf or even a shawl size by the time it's gotten through all those colors. This is just like a when I just want to knit type of project, and you just want to knit and you want to go. Okay, and you don't have to think too much. So that is a keeper. We'll zip her back up. All right. And in this bag, what do we have in here? Oh, I see some bright yarn. Oh, 2 different. Okay. Another double. This is, I think it's a cowl, or it was going to be, in these fun colors. Looks like a feather and fan type deal in the round. That is pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay. I should probably keep going on that. Here's the rest of that. Okay. It's more than halfway done. I should keep going. This is Pure Imagination. I know the name of that colorway. I don't know what I was thinking about doing. I think I'm just knitting in the round. Oh, like a scarf. Okay, I think I remember. I think I was going to make my brother a scarf that's like a tube, so it's like doubly thick. Obviously, I haven't gotten very far with that at all. That's okay. I'm not sure about that scarf, but I do like this. Okay, I do want to finish that one. We like that. All right, bag number 1, 2, 3, 5. Bag number 5. Okay, all right. Another color changing. I think I was in a color changing mood for a while there, buying all those kinds of yarns. And it looks like I'm just making an asymmetrical triangle scarf. Let's see how much. Oh, this is a ton of yarn. That's fun. Okay, very soft, nice and squishy. I don't have the yarn tag in there. I think my mom made this bag too. I'm trying to remember. I love it. I cannot remember the name of that yarn, but it's big and it's fluffy. We like that. Okay. This one, bag number 6, is, okay, a scrap project. All right, so this is one I collected pinks. Oh, wait, that doesn't go with that. All these like pinks and yellow, browns, all together, oranges. And then, don't tell me I'm in the middle of a row again. Oh my word, why do I keep doing that? Y'all, don't stop in the middle of a row. It's not a great idea. I don't know why I keep doing that. Okay, so this is just a scrap project. And I'm just using all pinks, yellows, oranges, browns, that kind of thing. And garter stitch, and then like a mosaic grid there. And I guess we'll see how far I get with this. This is one of those sort of, you know, pick up whenever you can projects. Oh, that's the other, Lazy Hazy, that's the other project. Okay, so you get it, here's a scrunchie. Here's a glimpse of my non-organizational skills, extra set of needles down there. All right. So I think I was trying out this yarn for like the scallop wrap or even the seafoam shawl. That would be pretty for that. Maybe I was trying it out. I don't know. I never knit with it though. Okay, so that's a good scrap project. That's just kind of an as you go. This is another one. Okay, so this, I actually really love this one. And it's probably going to take me a long time to ever complete it, because I'm just adding in colors, and this is what the back looks like here. And here's the front. And it's also like a little mosaic slip stitch pattern. And you're just adding in. So let's see, this is all fingering weight yarn, which is why it's going to take me forever to do all these variegated solids. Look, that's like a whole ball of yarn. That's not a scrap, but you know, whatever. Maybe I used a tiny bit of it. I don't know. But we've got lots of gorgeous colors that are going to be pulled in there. That red. So yeah, I like this one. This is just a, you know, kind of a comeback to it project as you can. Am I in the middle of a row? No, okay. Okay, so that's pretty good. I think just one of those projects, maybe that scarf in the round. Sorry, bro, I probably will never get to that one. It doesn't seem to be very exciting based on its completion. But yeah, those are my 7. Oh, forgot one. Those are my 7 project bags. that were next to my bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 project bags, and 7 or 8 because one of them had 2 works in progress. How many do you guys have? What are you working on? Love to hear it. Bye.